it's not attached. So the windshield wiper arms are broken. Specifically, this one here is broken. The windshield wiper motor is actually working. So basically, this whole bracket is going to get replaced. So after a while, this thing will wear out. And this is pressed on there. So best thing to do is to get a new bracket. And that's what I did. To remove the windshield wiper motor from the actual bracket, you need two 11 millimeters and a 13 millimeter. And the only other tool that you'll need is going to be the 10 millimeter that hold your bracket in place. So this is going to be a fairly easy problem. You do have one clip here, another clip here, and you just bring that out. And obviously this hooks into the actual windshield washer spray nozzle. So you connect that hose there into the actual spray nozzle. So as soon as I just kind of checked it out, I opened it up, and this bracket itself, it's attached with three 10 millimeters. So after 1, 2, and the third 10 millimeter bolt that goes in there. So actually this is a 13 mil. So the only tools you're gonna need, you need a 13 mil here, 3 bolts, 3 10 mils, 2 13 mils. The motor is good, so I'm gonna replace the motor. These are gonna go just like that. The motor sits right on top of that. You kind of just match this in place. The bracket is held on like that, almost like a spacer. The motor comes out. Since this thing is broken, you can just move that to the side. So this 13 mil just sits in there. It's a key slot that falls into this slot here. It's keyed in like that. So all I'm gonna do is just move it right over, slot it in. It's gonna go into this bracket on the actual motor, and this is gonna go right there. So it's just a circle bar. It's gonna go in place. Same thing here. This is an 11 millimeter here and here. So I'm gonna use my actual wrench. This back forward like that. I just want to line these up to where this lines up with that. Just use the pliers just a little bit to kind of move that in place. Then I'm gonna use this guy, just 2 11 mils, 1 13 mil, to be able to wrench it in. And that's it. I'm able to throw this away now. No, I got this out of I believe a Chevy Trailblazer, because the 2005 Chevy Equinox, the actual studs here are shorter, and for the Trailblazer you'll notice that these are going to be longer. So if you have a Trailblazer and it has these smaller studs, they won't match. So that's one of the things that I kind of picked up and learned on this one. So in here we do have this guy. It's really easy. Just one connector. Bottom portion clips on, so when you're taking it off, you have to pull this tab, not breaking it. 10 mil, 2 10 mil, 3 10 mil. That's it. Clip this on here, snakes in through here, take it off, 3 10 mils there, and that's it. That's all that's holding this in there. So if you have a problem with the bracket, you can replace the bracket or you can replace the motor. Connect the line in the bottom. Actually, it's fairly easy to put on. But you can connect the line first or second, either or. These go in before you put that in there. This one's pretty smashed, so I got an extra one. All they do is they just slide in there and here. Just becomes a little bit of a tighter fit. Allows this seal to kind of weatherize that a little bit. This guy's trashed. The clips, they go in there. You wanna, once the bottom is in, lock in the top and just clip in place. That's one. Most of them are here. And they're 2-piece clips, they're Chevy clips. Push it in. Bam, snaps place. Same thing for this one. Push it in, snaps right into place. Gotta pull the tops out first. Push it in, right into place. Slap that in, press it into place. Same thing for this one. I'm gonna go inside and then just push it. You'll see the knob rotating, and when it just closes like that, I'll just turn it off because it'll go through its lowest setting. You should be able to put them on and they'll be fairly straight. I'll go ahead and install this. It is spring loaded. It's going to take a little bit of pressure, but so I have it on there. It's good to go, and it's just a 13 mil. After that, definitely put your hood down. Obviously, if your blades look like this, you should definitely replace them. They're pretty bad, so. And that's it. Here it is. They're both working. The track works. And then I can get into replacing blades later on.